Hey guys, welcome back. So we have a really nice event running, family challenge event. Here we have 4 opponents. Barzini family drop resources. Tataria family drops launder cash. Cuneo we get medals for our troops to upgrade them, and Strachey drops wrenches for our garage. Okay. Here there's a tricky thing you need to do. It's not important to attack with your best march. It's actually more important to attack with assigned troops. For example, if here we have bombs, so we need to attack with knives, obviously. But also the capo needs to be power capos. So we have Giuseppe, which is power capo. We have Clemenza, which is power capo, and Aidan. Okay, so we're gonna attack. Okay, so we got 1,145,000 damage. This is because it's the second time we attack it. The first lineup we already kill it. Now we are going for the second one. And here in the corner we have the leaderboard. This drops very nice prizes. Okay, so how do you get these coupons? Well, these coupons mostly you get them from gathering. You don't get it from all of them, but most of them they drop it. And then you have also the neutral gangs. Oop, we don't have none here. Yes, we have here. We have here. Okay, so maybe 3 out of 10 gangs they will drop coupons, and maybe 2, 3, maybe 4 actually. 3, 4 out of 10 gathers they're gonna drop the coupons. What I'm doing to get them easier, it's gathering level 1 all the time, and this way I can do all of them because we still have 19 licenses and still plenty time to finish it. Thank you guys.